In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up direct deposit with Keybank 2025, step by step. Direct deposit sends your paycheck, benefits, or other payments straight into your Keybank account. No paper checks, no branch visits. You'll need a direct deposit form, your Keybank account number, and the correct routing number. Start by getting the form. You can request a Keybank direct deposit form from a branch or download one from the bank's website. If your employer or the paying agency provides their own direct deposit form, use that instead. Most payroll teams prefer their version. Next, fill in your details: your Keybank account number, the Keybank routing number, and the payer's information, like the company or agency name and address. Indicate whether the deposit should go to checking or savings, and choose full or partial deposit if the form includes that option. To find your numbers, check your Keybank mobile or online banking profile or your statement. On a paper check, the routing number is the first set of digits at the bottom, and the account number follows it. Review every digit carefully and make sure the name on the form matches your employer's records. Some employers may also request a voided check to verify the account. Write void across a blank check and do not sign it. When everything is complete, submit the form to your employer's payroll or HR department or to the agency listed on the form. Follow their preferred submission method, whether that's handing it in, uploading it to a secure portal, or sending it through their designated channel. Keep a copy or a clear photo for your records and ask about any cutoff dates so you know which payday it will affect. After submission, allow 1 to 2 pay cycles for the change to take effect. During that time, monitor your Keybank account to confirm your first deposit arrives. Some employers run a test or split your deposit during the transition, so a partial first deposit can be normal. If you don't see the deposit after 2 cycles, follow up with payroll to confirm they have the correct routing and account numbers, and to check processing timelines. Until the first direct deposit arrives, avoid closing any old payroll account you've been using. Once the deposit lands in Keybank, you're all set. That's the entire process. Get the form, fill it out accurately, submit it to payroll, and wait a pay cycle or 2 for the switch to complete. Pause this video as needed while you complete each part, and you'll have direct deposit set up smoothly and confidently.